Hey, how you doing? My name's Di, and I work from home, and I help other people to set up their own businesses working from home. Is that of interest? I don't know. If it is, stick around. If it's not, have a wonderful day. Me and Dave live here. I've got 2 kids, and we love life, and we get to spend so much time doing what we want to do, and that's brilliant. And not everybody gets to do that, so that's why we offer to help other people to do the same. We have systems that will help you to plug in to get started with what was basically like an online machine, I suppose, really. So people come to us and see our stupid videos and click on our adverts, and then they go into what we would call, I think it's called an automated sales funnel, which sounds very fabulous, doesn't it? But what it does basically is it will send out all the emails for me, which frees me up to be doing anything else. I only get to hear from people when they are actually ready to get started, which is lovely for me, because if this isn't for you, you'll have already clicked off by now. If you think that you might be interested in working online, then what you're going to need is you're going to need the right products, you're going to need the right tools, and you're going to need the right traffic. So I have a workshop, and it's free to go to, and it will show you all those things, how we've set it up, how it will work for you. And if it's of interest, we'll give you the opportunity to get started with us. If it's not, don't worry, it's fine. But what's it given us? It's given us time, it's given us security. It means that if the kids have got a day off, if the teacher decided to have an inset day, that's fine, doesn't matter. I'm here anyway, I'm around, I'm available. For work, what I do is, instead of sitting on my phone playing Candy Crush, I may be just answering a lead every now and then. I am organising some calls, which you don't have to do. If you want to at a later date, you can do. But all of your calls and all of your sales are done for you automatically. So you don't have to worry about that. You don't have to hold any stock. You don't have to deal with sending any orders out. You don't have to travel hundreds of miles to go and sit in somebody's front lounge and show them an opportunity or show them a product that they might not be interested in. You're only talking to people who are really interested in what you're doing. That's just fantastic. It's such a different way of doing things. Anyway, I hope that some of what I've said has resonated with you. And if it has, then come along. Honestly, I'm quite good at this stuff, and I do teach people really well. But there is lots and lots of training on the system, so you don't really have to put up with me waffling on. So that's what I'm offering you, is to come to my workshop and see if you would like to start your own online business. Sorry, I was distracted by a pigeon. As I said, not fit for corporate life. So, what are you going to do? Are you going to be in the same position in 6 months' time thinking, oh, I'd quite like to change what I'm doing? Or are you going to take a look now? I think you should take a look now. And if you do, I look forward to connecting with you soon. Speak to you soon. Bye.